Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a verified Binance account step by step. Gather your government ID, a clear selfie, and proof of address, then log into Binance on a trusted device and navigate to identity verification. Complete each field accurately, upload high-quality photos, and respond to verification prompts promptly. Double-check document details, match your account information to avoid delays, and set up 2FA before submitting for a smoother review process. Start by selecting the correct document type within the identity verification section and reading the listed file requirements carefully. Scan or photograph documents in high resolution and crop only the document area to avoid background clutter. Upload images in the recommended format and file size, then wait for Binance to process the files while checking email and app notifications for any follow-up requests or clarifications. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes life easier by cleaning while you handle account setup and security chores, and voice control keeps hands free during verification. It's a small time saver that feels welcome when juggling documents and scans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow the step-by-step prompts. Enter your personal details, upload ID images, and complete the facial recognition stage without obstructions. Keep your camera steady and follow on-screen instructions for angles and lighting to improve acceptance chances. If your submission is rejected, read the stated reason carefully, adjust document quality or information, and resubmit quickly while monitoring your account for status updates and messages from support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.